Let me tell you the story.
Vietnam, no COVID.
No COVID, I know.
No COVID, no,
Perfect.
Perfect. You saw that? That I would be so proud if I lived in a country where there was zero COVID. Super proud. So okay, let me tell you the story of how I was today. Hello. We're in a place that is like super not touristy at all. So everyone's been like,
Who are you?
what are you doing here?
Oh no, I'm still winning.
That was so weird. Check. Make sure to take some water down. Yes.
Thanks for the follow, Princess Drone Lake.
Is it with license?
I can do it.
You can do it? What's he calling?
Interesting.
Ah, shit. Did he run away?
It disappeared, but
It disappeared.
it's there, but it's there, but
He saved himself?
I don't know.
It sounded like a.
Yeah, he probably broke some bones.
You're so dumb. No, he's chilling. Let's see it over here.
Dancing.
It doesn't work. Our internet is so bad in here.
Hey, the kids just saying hello.
Hey, hello. It's like, look at that giant butterfly. Sea monsters. And I still do want to do a bungee jump. But I can still do the good speed now. What's the saddest? Oh, he doesn't like it. Oh. Shut up, the cat color.
The mad master. The cat master.
No.
Oh, with the bidet. We have a bidet for the first time outside of Japan. Look.
It's over
Ah! I got wet. But look.
I don't know if it works that way. Now it's ass. I have like zero connection here.
Wow. Yeah, my cell phone is okay.
It is? Hello, are we back? Are we back?
Are you connected to the Telcel?
Nah,
Why not?
because it wasn't working.
No, it is working perfectly. What the
working
fuck?
now?
I'm much better than yours, yeah.
Okay.
No.
What?
You have it. se me hace que se apagó el hotspot porque no lo estoy usando. Ah, no, está prendido.
We're back. Okay, we're back. I wonder if Maria follows them. Maria? Glovic, hola. Hola, cabrón. ¿Cómo estás? Okay. Give me this then. Yeah, I lose track of what I was seeing. There's still a ceremonial thingy for sacrifices. Huh, okay. Charco disc.
Look at this beautiful body. Booty.
Good booty.
Yeah. Can you see it, right?
Wait,
It's
from
kind
this
of big.
side. It is big. Yeah. Big booty since pre-Hispanic era. Nice.
Wait.
Stop it. I don't know if it's working this or not. I'm sorry.
What?
I don't know if it's a good idea to use Telcel.
Don't use it then.
I can't see you shot. I'm sorry.
Let's probably finish the first 2 hours.
¿A qué hora empezamos? ¿Te acuerdas?
No importa ya. Nos pones tu
But I don't have also internet. It already finished. Like 1 hour. It only lasted because 7:20. 7:20. Yeah, it just says naked. Feminine woman. Yeah, it's not working. Sorry, chat.
Chat is not working. The stream is working.
Yeah, but Telcel, I was saying. Oh. I have a really bad connection. Nice butt, juicy booty. Okay, now I can read you. Perfect. Big bodies are beautiful. There's no 5G in Mexico yet? I don't think so. No. Internet is very bad here. Always has been. Bodies or booties? Both. Yes, shout out to Glovic. Lovely Glovic. And real life streaming in Vietnam. How dare you if you haven't. Follow him. So yeah, this is a head of an eagle warrior. The novelty, indigenous novelty in Mexica society, it has 2 organizations, military of a big prestigious. One is the jaguars and the others are the eagles. Oh, so it was only 2. I was thinking of 3, but no. It was only the jaguars and the eagles. And this was one of them. Yeah, eagle and jaguar fighters. Oh, this is a sacrifice. This is the sacrifice knife used for human sacrifice. It's what is used to called tecpatl. Una casa de nivel con un complejo tocado ritual. Chimali. Oh, what? This is Chimali, and it was for defending themselves, the Mexica's warriors. They would use armory, but with cotton. It was with cotton. Why would they do that? It was called Ixcahuipili, and the escudos, the shields, they were called Chimali. and it was made with wood and cotton and feathers. I don't think this was a very it's like the first level of an RPG game, and this is the first one you get. That is crazy. Yeah, that's a shield. That's the shield, and these are more knives for sacrifices. Yeah, they used to love to sacrifice a lot of stuff. It looks furry. Yeah, it's cotton and feathers and wood. That's crazy. I didn't know about that. More sacrifices things. Puas. This is for the auto-sacrifice, the ceremony of auto-sacrifice. They would punsaban. How do I say that in English? They would put this in different parts of the body for bleeding, and the devoted of the old gods, they would use like these puas of maguey or the spikes of mantarraya, the stings of mantarraya, of